In today's lesson, which are lessons 3 and 4, most of us use the internet. Most of us means معظمنا يعني use means يستخدم the internet. First question: have you ever taken part? Take part in it means share. It is a phrasal verb means share. يشارك in a survey اللي هو استبيان يعني.
Yes.
What kind? It means type. What kind of questions were you asked? It is a passive. نوع الأسئلة اللي سألتها. Why do you think surveys are useful? Useful, beneficial, مفيد. So, do you have an answer to the first question?
Have you taken a survey?
Mm.
Uh, have you?
Yes
No,
or no?
no, I haven't.
No, no, you don't. طيب, okay. Have you ever seen some of your classmates taking part in a survey?
Yes, I have.
Yes. Okay. What kinds of questions were they asked?
Uh, I I don't know, but I saw them. They told me, but I don't know what types of questions.
And you don't know what was the subject of the survey?
No, I don't know.
Can you guess?
English.
Can you guess the survey was about? Maybe the subjects, their opinions in
Uh,
their subjects.
I think this survey was about uh like they to ask them questions, like they answered it.
So the second one, why do you think surveys are useful? In your opinion, in your point of view, surveys are useful because
Surveys are useful because they help you to uh,
mm,
uh, because surveys are important because they like you answer them so you.
they maybe we can say that surveys help managers, maybe for example,
Yes.
managers or businessmen to collect opinions about products.
Yes.
And this is my opinion, and say I think in this way it is very beneficial or useful because businessmen and the managers of the companies know the people's satisfaction about their products, if they are satisfied, happy with their products or not. Did you understand what I said?
I understand.
Yes, and also some managers know the attitude of the people in the same age, or some of the psychologists الاتيتيود اللي هو الايه التوجه of the people of the same age. So they came to your school and ask you some questions, and then they can move to another school and ask them the same questions, so they can form a general view about the interests of people or youth in the same age, boys or girls. Class survey. First one, which school subject do you prefer, math
I
or English? But I don't want the survey to be limited within few choices. It must be opened, You don't have to say to me math or English, but you should let these choices for me to choose from the whole subjects of the class.
Yes.
So if I asked you this question, if I asked you this question, what will you say? Which school subject do you prefer? Maybe you can choose more than one.
I prefer English.
You prefer English exactly, or because this is an English session?
No, no, exactly.
Exactly. Okay. So you are not afraid of me. Okay.
Yes.
Time. Number two. How?
How many brothers and sisters have you got?
Yes.
Uh, I, I have got three brothers and no sisters.
You have got three brothers
And no
and no
sisters.
sisters.
Yes.
Okay. Three.
Have you got a bike? Yes, I have.
Yes. No problem. Four.
Have you ever been camping? No, I haven't.
No, I haven't.
Uh, do you prefer football or tennis? I prefer football.
طب if I asked you this question in another term, which sport do you prefer?
I prefer football also.
Also, yes, the same answer.
Yes.
Okay, so you don't prefer basketball or volleyball, swimming, or
No,
another
no.
sport? No. Okay, طب which club do you prefer?
Real Madrid.
طب from the Arab world, Arabic world.
العين.
Okay. Do you go swimming?
Uh, yes, I have.
Yes. How often?
Yes, I do.
How
Uh,
often?
like 30%. Like this.
20, 20%.
Yes.
So يعني once a week
Yes. Or month.
or months? Once a month? No.
Yes.
So the answer will be changed if you say once a month. Once a
So
month, it means that
no, you
rarely. So once a week.
a
Once a
week.
week is a good answer. Seven.
Are you vegetarian? No,
Yes.
I'm
Are you
not.
vegetarian? What does it mean, vegetarian? Can you
Vegetarian.
explain it to
Nabati.
me? Yes.
Nabati.
People who doesn't eat any meat.
Those who doesn't eat meat or chicken or for because they don't like to harm animals or uh, or they don't like the taste.
Yes. Okay. Excellent. So you answered this. You said no. No.
Yes.
Okay. Have you got a computer at home?
Yes, I have.
Yes. Do you use the internet?
Yes, I do.
Yes. Okay. So how can I speak to you? Have you ever watched the film in English?
Yes, I have.
طب how often?
Huh?
How
What?
often?
Like 95%. Like I watch
25,
most movies English.
25,
95, 95.
95%.
Yes.
Oh, so I want to say that you usually listens to
Oh,
English films or watch English
yes.
films. This is a very good thing in your age to listen to films, English films from now. Do the class survey. طب before I go to the next point, do you think that your classmates, if I ask them these questions, do you think that the answers will be similar?
Yes, I have. Like which subject? Like English, because our math teacher He's always shout at us.
No,
But how many brothers and sister? I think it's different. Everyone
no,
has.
no, I don't speak about the first point at all. I want to speak about the whole 10 points, 10 questions.
I I think everyone has an opinion. So maybe some people will be different. Some people like 50-50 because some people have different choices.
And you don't think that most of your classmates watch English films?
There's some of my classmates doesn't know English, so I think they watch Arabic most.
Oh, so
Like they don't,
يعني
like they don't know what subject or means. Like so, I think they.
okay. Work in groups of 4 or 5. Make table as this one is a table like this and write the names of everyone in your group at the top. Do the survey and record the answers. Record means write. He asked 3 of your friends, Ahmed, Gamal, and Said.
Yes.
Share your group's information with the rest. Rest, what does it mean, rest here?
Huh? What rest?
Yes,
Rest. Rest. Like there is a lot of meaning. Rest. Like there is rest. Like استراحة or rest like rest of their classes يعني المتبقي.
yes, bravo, excellent.
There is so much
المطبق.
meaning.
Okay, but I think your answers will be close to each other because I think that people from the same age may prefer the same or may have the same interests
Yes.
because I am giving private lessons to some of your mates, and I think that you all think in the same way.
Yes.
Use
Because
of
we're
English.
the same age.
What?
Because we're the same age. When you're the same age, you think like the same.
Okay. Use of English expressions of quantity كميات followed by of. It's important to know when to use of after expressions of a quantity. Quarter of. A quarter اللي هو طبعا fourth 90% of two. Sir, so I want to minimize my pen. 2/3, half, all,
Uh,
most, without
like
of. No, again.
okay.
Use of, a quarter of, 90% of, 2/3 of. Of here is optional. Optional, it means اختياري. You can use it or you can't use it. Half, all of, or all.
Yes.
Here بدون no of, most. Most students use the internet. Most of the students in our class use the internet. Most of us use the internet, so we can say that it is also optional.
Yes, most two are good. We can use them.
So I want you to read these examples.
About a quarter, no, over 90% of us have brown eyes. Two-thirds of the class come to school by car.
Okay,
Uh,
half.
Half of the class voted for English as their favorite subject.
Yes, as you did.
All of the students in group voted for blue as their favorite color.
What does it mean voted?
Voted uh, شو كان
Choose. Chose.
choose,
Yes.
yes,
Most students use the internet. Most of the students in our class use the internet.
yes, of course.
I think that they are very easy. Extra information. Did you know? هل تعلم? Here's how you can convert the results of a survey into percentage. So how can we convert the result into percentages? If 9 out of 25 students voted for math in question 1, so the total number is 25, but the number who voted, who chose math is 9 only, so 100 divided by 25 is 4. 9 multiplied by 4 is or equals
36.
36. So 36% of students said that they preferred master. Oh, if they are 9 out of 50, can you make it for me?
Nine of out of 50,
Yes.
100 multiply 100 divided by 50 equals 2, and 2 multiply 9 equals 18%.
So it is 18%. Very good. Excellent. So you understood it now. It is. I think that it is very a very important information. Yes.
Yes,
So math is يعني a very enjoyable, very fun.
it's
Uh,
very fun when your teacher is good.
so I don't want to speak about your teachers because every year they are changed, and another one may came, and I think you will love this subject more because math wants an uh, intelligent and clever students, and I think you will find fun in doing sums, especially when you go to high schools. Do you know the
Yes.
meaning of high schools?
Yes, high schools are ninth grade out of 12th grade, I think.
Yes. 40%, almost two-thirds, half, all, quarter, most. Number one, read for me.
70 out of 27 of the class go swimming once a week.
Yes, so almost
Uh,
two-thirds. So if we want to turn it to into a percent, do you
yes,
can you make it
almost two-thirds, 2 out of 3.
of the
Okay.
class go swimming once a week? So I want this result to turn it into percent.
Percent.
Yes,
Uh, like we do like the when
like
we
this
dress
one.
up.
Yes.
Yes. 100 divided by 27 equals
Do you have a calculator?
and you can go fast and bring one.
Uh, okay.
Okay, I will go. Wait a minute. I brought a calculator.
Okay, can you calculate it for me?
No. Uh, 3.7. Well,
Three.
0.7.
So continue. Go on.
And nine, and nine
No, it was not
multiply.
nine. It was not
No,
nine.
17 multiplied by 3.7
Okay. Equals
equal 62.9. It means 63.
62.9. So 62%. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Number two here, 50% of us walk to school. 50%.
Half of us walk
Ah,
to school.
yes, half of us. Three,
25 of the students eat cereal for breakfast.
cereal. Yes, طعام من الحبوب for breakfast.
A quarter of the students eat cereal
Quarter or fourth.
for
Okay.
breakfast. 100% of the class voted for football as their favorite sport. All of the class voted
Oh,
for
yes,
football
yes. Very good.
as their favorite sport. 8 out of 20 students choose oranges as their favorite fruit. 40%
And which
students
is your favorite fruit?
orange. No, strawberry. I forget.
Strawberry. Okay.
Se-
17
17 out of 20 students get 8 or more hours sleep
hours.
at
No, it is not hours. It is hours.
hours
H
sleep
is
at night.
silent. Yes, hours sleep at night, so
Most
they are
most
most.
students, yes.
Okay, so now I want to turn to the PowerPoint to have a look on this lesson. I want to have a look at the workbook first before going to PowerPoint. Okay, mate?
Okay.
Did we answer anything in the last session in the workbook?
Yes, we answered the
We
like the
answered
first
these.
page.
I
Yes,
think, and these.
yes.
So most of us use the internet. Read the survey report, then write the activities in the correct place on the bar chart means this. So try to read the made a recent survey.
A recent survey has found that young Australians age 6 to 13 spend less time watching TV than they did 3 years ago. However, they still spend about 14 hours a week watching television, which means that it continues to be the most popular leisure
Leisure.
activity.
Yes,
Leisure
leisure. ترفيهي.
leisure activity. Other leisure activities include playing with and talking to friends, 9.8 hours per week, and using the internet 8 hours. They spend 4.7 hours a week watching DVDs. The same amount of time playing sport, 4.7 hours. They spend almost the same time of at the same time or the same amount of time playing playing computer and electric games. How homework takes up 3 hours a week. They don't spend as much reading magazines as listening to the radio. Reading newspaper is the least popular activity.
So what does it mean, the least popular activity?
Uh, the least popular activity, no, like no one does it in their free time.
Yes. Okay, so we want to fill the blanks here and to complete this bar chart. Watching TV.
9.8 Playing, playing and talking to friends.
Nine.
Eight,
No, no,
uh,
minutes. Okay, I want to write 9.8. What?
hour.
Yes, talking to friends
Yes.
and yes, talking to friends, and I will write talking only. 8
8.0 using the internet. So internet.
in our net. Yes,
4.7 watching DVDs.
DVDs.
4.7 also sports. What playing sport.
Yes, sports.
4.5 playing computer games.
4 point. Where is that? Almost
They
same.
all they spend almost the same amount of time playing computer games. They didn't say the time, but they said almost the same time.
Okay, so I will write computer
Okay.
computer only.
Yes.
Mm.
And
3.
3 hours homework.
Yes.
Then they read magazines.
2.1
No, 2.1 listening to the radio.
radio.
Yes.
Mm.
Then reading magazines, then reading newspaper. First reading magazines, then newspaper, because newspaper is the least.
Newspaper is the least. Oh, so
First
reading magazines,
magazine,
then reading
then
newspapers.
yes.
So the time of the session is notifying me that there is only 1 minute, so I will close now and send you another link on your WhatsApp. Don't go far, okay?
Okay, you will send me another Zoom link.
Yes, another link on the WhatsApp now.
Okay.